Hello guys, and today we are doing this. What is this? This is the front part of the bus, which is fit like this, and it's like a Volvo face, in which the middle part is like some upper bump. It has bump, which it's look much beautiful. So I made it with wooden glue and wooden powder, so it's become rigid, hard. And in here this I shape from I gave shape from thermocol. So let's send it in this video and make it properly smooth. You can see there is very uneven surface because of this wooden. So let's do it. This is after 1 hour of sanding. I smooth every surface, but there are little holes in there which are not fill or remain, which can I finish or make perfect in my final touch when I apply putty for paint. So for this time, for now, this is the final piece for after sanding. So let let it rest for a little bit. It look nice. Now I'm going to work on my back of the bus, in which I found the little problem that the old joint is broke. So now I super glued this part, and first I hope I make like this with help of cardboard, but now this is very like clumsy and unstable, so it can also wet in rain and other things. So I am not using now. I am using now this sunboard, which is many of miniature project YouTubers do use. So I buy from the shop the wastage parts of this. They can, in which you can see there are lot of shapes like this is on the tree. So now I can cut this part for above and place it, then I show you how it's going to look. Okay, so after 2 hours I finally made this from this hardboard or sunboard. Everyone says market name of this board is sunboard. So this is little bit rigid, but not as much as this is. So I also installed the back panel of this bus, and I temporarily sit no, I mean to say that fit I temporarily fit this part for looking test. So how it's looking, and the old bus. Hey, that's for today. Bye.